has some amazing cuisine, and one of my favorite places that I always go to, which is kind of my go-to place, is Teksen. It has Cantonese, Hakka, Taucho, and also a lot of Peranakan in there. It's also got some amazing signature dishes that they've been doing for a long time, and is also one of Penang's key points of interest for people to come to when they're doing street food and kind of hawker food here. So I'm going to show Maxie a little bit of what I love about this place, and hopefully he likes it too. Teksen is one of the busiest restaurants in Penang. It was so busy that night we had to sit in the back restaurant. The menu is long and varied. I've selected some of my favorites: subak, kung pao chicken, sambal udang kangkung, asam tumis kari squid, tamarind prawns. We walked out of that restaurant so full we had to do a few laps around Georgetown just to walk it off. For me, Teksen is a must when you visit Penang.